Okay, so this is the output. The first thing it gives you is a little box that reminds you of what the variables are that you're using and gives you the level values for them. So pi 1 and topping 1 corresponds to apple pie with no topping, and so on. Okay. The next thing is descriptive statistics. It gives a little table of means. As you can see, the highest mean is for apple pie and custard, and the lowest mean is for steak pie and custard. Standard deviations and n equals 20. The main table to look at here is the one that's called tests or within subjects effects. You get quite a large table for repeated measures designs because what it does is it lists each independent variable and its associated error term separately, because these are calculated differently for repeated measures designs from the way in which they are calculated for between groups designs. So the table just looks a lot bigger, but it really isn't anything to be worried about. Basically what we need to do is just take the top line. As a rule of thumb, if we look at all these numbers here and we look across, if we find that all these are the same, then that's fine, we don't have a problem, we can use the top line. If we do find that they're different, then we need to think more carefully about which ones we need to use, but it happens very rarely. So we just use the top line, pi, there's the p-value, it says 0.000. Now we know it can't be 0, so we would report that as p is less than 0.001. Okay, so we've got a significant effect, main effect of the type of pi. Okay, this is topping. This is the f value, 0.06. This is the probability, this is the significance level here. It's 0.8. So this isn't significant, and we can see that overall there is no difference between something with custard on and something without custard on. But the important thing down here, this is the interaction between the two. Pi by topping. This is the significance level here. So again, p is less than 0.001. Okay, so we've got a significant interaction. An interaction, remember, means that the effect of one independent variable depends upon the level of the other variable at which it's acting